welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little DIY product for you using flaxseed. Flaxseed, also known as linseed, has many purposes, but today we're going to learn how to use it as a hair product. We're going to be making some flaxseed gel. Of course, we need our main ingredient, flaxseed, and we want the whole grain natural flaxseed. No additives, nothing grounded, just the plain old flaxseed. You can basically pick this up at any supermarket, pharmacy, natural store, or even some beauty supply stores. I bought mine in a supermarket. For this package, I got it for about 100 Jamaican dollars and some change. Pretty affordable, right? Now we're just gonna jump on in. To begin, I'm just going to use a saucepan to pour in my flaxseed. I'm really just eyeballing it, but for measurement's sake, I poured in about half a cup of flaxseed into the saucepan. Next, I added 1 to 1.5 cup of water and set it to boil at low heat. We allow this to boil until the mixture creates a white cast on top and the consistency becomes thick and gel-like. To test it, you could use a utensil to just pick up some of the mixture and it should leave a trail behind. This tells you that it is ready and you should turn your heat off. This is the mixture immediately after the heat was removed. It looks a little runny now, but it will gain some texture after it has been cooled. So we're gonna allow it to cool to room temperature, and this is what it looks like after. I was in no rush, so I allowed mine to cool down for about 3 hours thereabout. So you can see where it gains some thickness, the consistency is gel-like, and we're just gonna grab a container. I'm just using an old gel container that I had before. I would have wanted to use some cheesecloth, but I had to take my hands and make fashion. So I grabbed a stocking and I cut it and make fashion with it. Now I had to use a wider mouth container, so I grabbed a bowl, I poured the mixture in and I'm pouring it into the container. So I'm just gonna squeeze out everything into the container. Looks a little gross, but that's probably just one of the very few disadvantages. There are many advantages. It is very moisturizing, and we all know hair loves moisture. It conditions and nourishes the hair, leaving it bouncy, shiny and soft. It promotes hair growth because it is so moisturizing. Regular usage repairs damage and brittle follicles. And if you haven't noticed, it's all natural. No alcohol, no sulfate, no parabens, silicones, or those other chemicals that can contribute to breakage. Full of some good nutrients like omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin E, B6, folate, zinc, potassium, which leaches into the hair, providing it with extra support without those harmful additives from most of the store-bought products. And hello, it's very cost effective. This package that I bought for about 100 Jamaican dollars and change, which is like $1 US, I'm able to use it over and over and over again as much as I need to, and I can get more than one serving from it. This is totally optional. You can leave this part out, but I decided to add some vitamin E oil and some essential oil to the mixture. I'm just gonna swirl this around and pour it into my container for storage. So for storage, it's best to keep in an airtight container. And remember, this has no preservative like your store-bought product. So it's best to keep in the refrigerator. Has a shelf life of about 2 weeks or so. So just make enough for that amount of time. When you're ready, pop it out of the refrigerator if it's too cold, warm it up in the palm of your hands, and just style away. I do plan on doing a full hairstyle with this product to see how it turns out, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, subscribe down below, thumbs up this video if you liked it, share with everyone, your friends, your family, and leave a comment. Let me know if you plan on trying this or if you've tried it before. Let me know what your experience was like. Until next time, I'm your girl Momo. Thanks for watching this video. Take care.